Do you want to know how to get to the top of Google? Do your competitors outrank you regardless of the fact that you have better products or services? Today we're going to talk about what search engine optimization is, how it works, and how you can outrank your competitors. Hi everyone, I'm Chris Bindley and I'm the founder of Straight Up Digital. We're a digital marketing agency based on the Gold Coast in Australia, and today I'm going to explain what SEO is by breaking it down into 4 separate components: keyword strategy, on-page content, link building, and reporting. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for further hints and tips on how you can grow your digital marketing. First, the keyword strategy. It's a process for identifying the core keyword phrases that form the overall foundation of your website's content. Now, there's a variety of different tools out there. We'd suggest one from Neil Patel called Ubersuggest, and we'll leave that in your description. It enables you to look at the monthly traffic for a keyword phrase and also how hard or easy it is to rank for based on a scale of 1 to 100. Now, in terms of the number of keyword phrases we'd recommend, that varies on how many pages, but we suggest to stick to 1 to 2 keywords per page. So what it looks like in practice is, for example, electrician. Now, there's way more searches for it on a monthly basis, but it's not overly defined and it's also quite competitive. So we're on the Gold Coast. A great suggestion for a better keyword phrase would be electrician, Gold Coast. On-page content. To ensure that you have the best possible content for the search engines to read and then rank you for, you need to have a content strategy. And the best strategy to have is to write at a page level and focus on those 1 or 2 keyword phrases per page. Also, it's important for the search engines that they have the opportunity to have a quick look at your content first before reading the lot of it. And this is where they use metadata. So things like title tags, description tags, alt tags, etc. So what you want to do is you want to match that to your content strategy. So where it's relevant, mention your keyword phrases in those areas. And another thing, it's important not to worry about spamming the search engines. You can actually mention your keyword phrases too often, and what that does is the search engines will just overlook your page and go to the next page. So we recommend no greater than 2% keyword density, which in reality means mentioning that phrase no more than 2 times per 100 words of content. Off-page link building. Now, the very nature of the way that search engines work is that they follow links. So for them to find you, they'll need to find you from a link on another website. And this is where the link building strategy comes into play. Now, there's a variety of different ways that you can build links. There's a couple of different ones that we can recommend that are easy to do with little or no budget. Guest posts on blogs. An easy way to get a link back for your website is to look for blogs in your niche, contact the blog owners and ask them whether you can write some content for them. Now, blog owners love new high quality content, so typically they'll be more than happy for you to write them that content. And if you give them your keyword phrase, they in a lot of cases will link back to your site. Direct sites in your niche. You might have a wholesale relationship or a supplier agreement, so reach out to those people and ask for a link back to your site. You not only will help your SEO, but in some instances, you might even get extra business out of it. Reporting. Now, the most important thing without all of this is to track your numbers. The great news is that Google has a whole heap of free tools. The 2 we want to concentrate on today is firstly Google Analytics. This will help you track all of the clicks throughout your website. Not only that, it will help you track the origin of the click, how long they spend on the website, which pages they click, and you can even track conversions. Google Search Console. Now, this is the technical tool from Google that will enable you to check things like your website speed, page not found errors, even the number of backlinks you actually have on your website. And it's important that if you get an error from Google Search Console, that you address it as soon as you can. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked it, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about SEO, please leave them in the comments section below. In the next couple of videos, we'll be exploring SEO in more detail, starting with the next one, which will be talking about keyword strategy at a greater level.